finally reunited. So cute. Oh. Get closer to me. Oh, they don't like that.
Is she okay? We're recording you. This is so fascinating.
No, she might have tripped it, but she looks fantastic.
Is it? Yeah, because a crow was following her and then she banged into the window.
Banged into the window.
Yeah.
It's been 5 days.
What?
Yeah, we've been looking for her.
Oh.
So we're very, very happy. I'm so grateful to you guys. You have absolutely no idea.
Of
You
course.
need to respond like that. We're both shaking now.
I brought my boys to the bird park, so I said I'm sure it's Monty's bird.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, we really do appreciate this. It's really...
5 days.
Can I have an arm because she's holding his finger?
Oh, oh,
Okay, alright, calm.
is she fine like that?
Yeah, this is how she'd normally be tied onto a glove. Okay, cool.
Oh.
Just sit on the glove. Just sit on the glove. Just sit on the glove. It's okay. That's it. That's it. I think she's just freaked. Yes. We've got a towel and stuff.
Okay.
Let's let her calm down. We're going to go put her in the car. Do we have a hood in the car?
5 days.
Okay, yeah, we've got a hood in the car, so we'll hood her now so that she can calm down. Because if she can't see and it's dark, then she'll be a lot more calm than she is now. So we're just going to take her home. Alright, we're going to get her in.
Okay, cool.
Listen, I appreciate this more than you know. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.